Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for the Apple Card. The Apple Card was publicly released. It is no longer in preview, so anybody can apply for one. Now I'm not going to be able to show you step by step because I've already applied for mine. I already have mine, so it's not going to give me all the options. But what you want to do is you need to make sure you're on iOS 12.4 or above. If you're a beta user, this will work on the iOS 13 betas. I do suggest that you update to the latest beta though, just to make sure you have everything. But iOS 12.4 and above, head into the Wallet app. You can see I have my Apple Card right here. I've already done a video on all this and the UI and everything like that, so check out that video. It's the video before this one. But if you want to apply for an Apple Card and you don't already have one, all you have to do is click this little plus icon right here. This screen will come up. Click continue, and instead of seeing this add card screen, you'll see an option to add a credit or debit card or apply for the Apple Card. All you have to do is click apply or click Apple Card, and it will take you through the application process. You are going to need a state issued ID such as driver's license or state ID. You do have to scan that in the app, part of the application process. You're going to need your address, the last four of your social security number, and some other information such as estimated yearly income. After you do that, if it gets approved, you will get the option to accept the offer of your credit rate or your credit limit and your credit rate. After you do that, it'll ask you if you want to order the titanium card, verify the address for that. You can order that, and then after you do that, it will add the card into Wallet. If you use Apple Pay or use the card online, you can start using it instantly, and then you should receive your titanium card in the mail within a few days for places that do not accept Apple Pay. This has been Colin with Techout. This is the Apple Card. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.